you'll need a flat and curved trim puller tool. There are clips holding in the lens all around the edge. Start by inserting your trim tool between the lens and the middle. Use the tool to push the clips in and pry the edge down. You can see the 5 clips that hold in the middle. Now insert your tool in the corner nearest the windshield. Slide the tool around the edge of the lens to free the clips as you go. You can now remove the lens from the assembly. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Now remove the bulb from the other side, replace it with the LED, and test it. We highlight here the 12 clips on the lens that attach to the assembly. Slide the lens into place. Push up the edges to lock it. Push the middle of the assembly up into place until all the clips are locked. There is another method to install these bulbs using a curved trim tool. Insert the edge of the tool into the edge of the lens nearest you and pry that corner free. Use the tool on the corner near the windshield and pry that corner free. Now do the opposite sides, prying each corner free. You can now free the entire assembly. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED. Line up the notches on the socket at the slots in the housing. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Now repeat those steps for the other bulb. Turn the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Remove the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. We'll test both lights before putting it all back together. There are 4 clips that need to be lined up with the corresponding holes. Once lined up, push the housing up to lock the clips. The new LED bulbs are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs.